Hey guys, there's little Serenity laying down in her crib. I'm going to show you the haul that I had. And there's my friend being hungry. I got her some headbands, this little white bow thing right here, and some other colors. I also got her this sleeper from a thrift shop. It's pink with brown hearts and this little bear in the corner. And it has little ruffles on the feet. And I also got her these blue jeans with the little pink bow and the ruffles at the bottom. So I'm going to do a nap routine for her, and then I'll come back.